This demand is, I think, as far as I know, at least from 2002. And that is when Mattani planned and was, all set to get this work done. Now what happened was, the government fell, but the plan is there. Now the plan has been misused. There is a layman's line. See, the official plan is what we are following, but there is a layman's line drawn there to say that that was the route that Mattani wanted. That was not the route that Mattani wanted. Mattani went as per the official plan. And
with regards to certain objection, what do you want to inform?
Now, what I want to inform the people is that anyway the MDR road is coming, your land will be taken, but if the bridge comes, then their land will remain as it is, because once the bridge is in place, nothing else can happen there. So your land is going to be as it is. You will be able to do as you please in your own land. Secondly, if some compound walls are going to be touched, I want the public to know that these compound walls will be reconstructed and given to the tenants. So there is no question of loss, and compensation for the land. So there is no question of loss, but giving for a greater cause, for a public cause. The basic need of this bridge is urgent and required for the villagers, because they are the ones who are going to be able to cross this area quickly. And definitely I can say that when there is a public need, sometimes sacrifice comes into the picture. We have to be generous enough to give our land. And for this very purpose, Mattani Saldana, late Mattani Saldana, has frozen his property and kept it specifically for the bridge. That's a market area land, a prime land, which he has frozen. Because with Mattani, public good always came first. And now, I also would like to inform that this is supposed to be an MDR road, and if you measure from the center, you have to have 12.5 meters on either side. Now, in that case also, all these compound walls which will be touched for the bridge will also go.
There is a proposal for construction of overbridge, and all the departments, land survey, GSIDC, TCP, Madam Melina is there, and everybody is just, we are inspecting that as per the plan, the area which is affected due to the widened overbridge.
Okay, how much area is getting affected?
Structures are not getting affected, only there are some compound walls which are required to be removed. There are no structures which are involved, only one temporary shade is there.
We want the bridge. That is the first thing. Get it very clear. Everybody wants the bridge. Second thing, the bridge is not going to be on pillars according to their proposal. So they're dividing the east and the west. So people have to go, if they want to catch a bus and all, they have to go very far. Old people have to go very far, they have to walk. That's the most important thing. It's not as per Mattani's plan where he had turned on pillars.